Good morning, guys. Today is May the 2nd, and we're gonna make some technical analysis on Bitcoin. I'm gonna start my analysis by pointing out this RSI. I think I've talked about this, but my opinion is that Bitcoin will keep going up until we are in a weekly time frame, and I don't have a prediction for a target price, so I'm not gonna go ahead and say we're gonna make it to $60,000 or $70,000, that kind of thing. It's almost impossible to know that right now since we don't have any previous data. But what I can tell you is that on a weekly time frame, this RSI is extremely important, because I think that the only moment we're gonna have some major pullback is when we reach this line right there, and we are very far from that line. The reason why I'm saying this is because this is the weekly time frame, and even though this looks like it's a small gap, but because it's a weekly time frame, that might take a lot of time. So with that being said, Bitcoin gonna keep going up. It's just what it is right now. And another reason why I'm saying this is because of now we are on a daily time frame. So weekly is extremely bullish. Daily is also very bullish. Now we have that MACD fading. So MACD is looking for to cross over. That will clearly put the market in a daily time frame in a clear bull trend on a daily time frame. The second interesting thing is that those three last daily candle. So the 55 moving average is a well-known exponential moving average, huge by lots of swing traders, because they open trade over it and they close. It's a well-known strategy in the market. Now we have a candle that did close over it, and another candle that managed to open and close over it. So this is extremely bullish, and we know that those moving average, they are dynamic resistance and support. So the moment we manage to stay above the 55 moving average, which is on a daily time frame, that for now it's at 56.8k for EMA, daily EMA. So this is extremely important. Now the only concern is this right there. So this is a trend line on RSI daily time frame that did react 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So maybe we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback, but the thing is that since the overall market trend is bullish, bear signal tend to not to be very reliable at sometimes. So now the last short is on the 4-hour time frame. A very interesting thing, because this morning I placed this potential uptrend line, and I think that we're gonna build the next few days around these two last swing. I am talking about I'm talking about these two last swing on a 4-hour time frame. So I am pretty sure that we're gonna build the market gonna move around this, so we can expect swing of that kind moving forward. But if we don't go like this in a sideways movement, we'll definitely keep moving up. Now I did told you in the last review that the 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame is extremely strong. This stuff is made out of steel. So the bulls have been fighting somewhere here on a 4-hour time frame. They've been fighting for like 40 hours or something. So Every time we had a bunch of rejection. So the bear, they were really into maintaining that correction. But after that, we had that massive candle that managed to close over that 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and since then we stay over it. Now that's the reason why yesterday I said that on a server that the most important price for Bitcoin right now is 55.8k. So as long as we stay over that in a 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin will not going down anywhere, because this structure right there definitely look like an inverted head and shoulder, and the two shoulders of an inverted head and shoulders, they tend to behave as very strong support. Let me try to show you. This line right there is actually a strong support. Now that will be the only exception in which a line do not need to be touches for confirmation, but this line right there, like I just showed you, is important. Now I place this potential option line on the forward time frame. We're gonna have to pay attention to it and see how it behaves, and eventually we're gonna have an uptrend line on the RSI 4-hour time frame here. So for now, what would you do? What should you do? Now, an interesting way to do this is just look for a flip. For an example, in a 5-minute time frame, if you're a day trader, and this is the first time I'm doing this, if you're a day trader, this is a last pullback. We had that pullback lately. If you're a day trader, you can definitely look for entries based on very specific strategies and extreme oversold on 5-minute time frame, or you can just look for the last wave. For an example, 1 minute. So that should have been done yesterday if you're really interested, and try to use Fibonacci to find entries, or definitely look for a pattern of some sort, triangle, consolidation, break, any kind of pattern. But in conclusion, this is gonna keep going up. That's it. And as long as in a 4-hour time frame we stay above 55.8k, Bitcoin gonna keep going up. Now the next big challenge is gonna be $75,000. Now that's it for Bitcoin review, guys, and make sure you join me on the virtual Bitcoin server. Subscribe on this channel for more videos, and I take care. Bye.